好，大家好。今日咧，我即刻帶大家嚟到博美斯館郊外一個幾代喺度做酒嘅酒莊，其中佢一個酒莊就係 Quinta 嘅 Cerejeiras 即係櫻桃啦。佢酒莊裏邊有一個小賣部啊，酒鋪啦，你可以話。咁我哋入去睇下。其中佢一個櫻桃 Cerejeiras 嘅正裝酒啦，你可以話係 reserve 級嘅啦，好多同埋啲特別嘅靚嘅。咁如果呢個酒咧，因為喺葡國法例上面咧，呢個係 DOC 酒咧，佢就係 Portugal 嘅。佢有另外一個牌子酒莊嘅牌子 Francisco。個主要嘅酒莊佢係 Cerejeiras 嘅，呢個都係一個 DOC 酒啊嚇。咁咧就有半支裝可以，譬如自己屋企飲咧都好方便嘅。1982年嘅呢個係。差唔多係好耐嘅，呢個真係靚嘅，用成件啱嚟到做牌子啦。呢個之前嗰個就係用 Cerejeiras 嘅，另外佢仲有一啲咧係 San Francisco 嘅，呢個亦都係有佢家族嗰個招牌啦。嗱呢個咧就係普通嘅阿格丹地啊。另外呢個咧佢用 Francisco 咧就做咗 XO 嘅一個版地啊呢個。仲有一個都係簡單嘅但係就用咗木嘅，擺咗喺木桶嘅。所以佢攞咗一啲木嘅顏色木嘅複雜味道喺裏面啦。哇！大家睇到佢嗰個酒鋪啦，其實佢除咗呢個酒鋪之外咧，仲有一個博物館啊，佢仲再有一啲用過嘅用具陳列品咁佢自己好有心做咗一個博物館museum，因為佢已經幾代嘅，超過5代嚟做酒嘅，咁所以我哋一陣間帶大家睇下睇。第4代傳人啊 ！Say hello to our friends.
Hello, my name is Diogo.
Please introduce your museum to us.
Yes. So we are here in one of our 3 estates. This is the Quinta de Cerejeiras Wine Museum. This facility is from the 1850s. Making barrels. So these are all the equipment that we had an own section of canvas, so we could make the barrels and repair the barrels in our property. Here you have a big wine press that was used for pressing the rest of the feed press, so you still have a lot of juice to make wine. And this equipment is an equipment that was brought here by the Phoenicians 2,000 years ago. It was created by the Greeks. Nice equipment of how to cork, and this is a 2 capsule. So we have 2 capsules, old labels.
Casabel already produced them.
Very ancient labels. So Casabel is one of our oldest brands.
Cry, but I can't get anything out of my eyes or my head.
Of my grandfather, but not many had a lot of children. My mother had 2. My aunt didn't have any children. Yes, very small. I'm just going to put my
Need to cry, but I can't get anything out of my eyes or my head. Did I die?
呢個係一個佢頭先講咧一個櫻桃一個 Cerejeiras 嘅新嘅招紙咧，新嘅 label 咧嘅招紙就係咁嘅設計，就走咗高檔一啲咁樣嘅。同埋將佢公司嗰個招牌突顯咗出嚟，另外先至係嗰個嗰條拉嗰條 product 拉嗰個 Cerejeiras 呢個招紙。
This is our most selling wine, the Cerejeiras. where we are going to upgrade the label
to the one that I saw.
to the one that you saw in our office. This is one of the brands that people also recognize the most from our
Very
company.
popular one. Yes.
It's very popular, and so we kept the C because this is in many markets people associate to this wine because of the C. We are going to also change the bottle shape for the Burgundy bottle because of the tradition of the Burgundy bottle.
Yes.
We are in the pear trees of our property of Quinta das Cerejeiras. This area is very famous for the production of pera rocha. Is a typical variety that grows in this area.
Okay.
All here it's very low in the altitude, so we are here almost at sea level. And the coolest part of the region here is on the low parts. So we go up to get more sun and more warm
Yes.
for the reds, and the whites we plant in the lower parts.
長嗰個廊呢度就全部係葡萄田啦。
This is the smallest area that we have is around 15 hectares. We have 30 hectares in Sanguinhal, around 60 in Quinta de São Francisco. That's the biggest areas there.
So Cerejeiras still
Is the smallest.
suggest you to do some competition, holding a wine glass or meter run.
Yeah,
100 meter, then make a competition.
like competition. The longest holding glass
without falling down.
without falling down.
Yeah,
That's a good competition for the sommeliers.
Yeah.
This road was very famous, and people from all over Portugal would come here to see this when it was blowing, when it was full of flowers.
How old are these wine?
Around 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
Other Portuguese grapes?
This is Fernão Pires or Maria Gomes.
Very good.